Hello guys, and hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. So a while ago I did the test of my winch, but there was a lot of complaints maybe that it seems to be too easy. So I'm gonna go in there, get my truck in there. It's pretty deep and very muddy, and I'm gonna use just the winch to pull it out. And yeah, it's gonna be a very short video, but let's see if it's gonna be able to pull it out. Alright? So I'm gonna try to use the winch and pull myself out. So let's see if it's gonna work out or not. And as you can see, it's pulling the truck no problem. It's pretty deep in there. It was pretty deep and muddy. So if you want, I'm gonna go back now even more. Let me release the rope. It's so muddy over here that if I step, I'm gonna sink in. But anyways, let me back up a little more. As you can see, I stepped over there and I went all the way in. So, but just for you guys, to show that the winch is working. Let me go back. Okay, keep it in neutral. It's pretty deep, guys. It's pretty deep and muddy there. So the mud is very sticky, so the tires go in. So let me use the winch again. And as you can see, it's pulling the truck no trouble. No trouble at all. As you can see, it's a lot of mud over there. And the tires over there, it's a lot of mud as well. But it's pulling. It's working just fine. So, I hope guys this was a good test for you. Indication that the winch is working. I mean, what else can I do? How else can I test it? But I think it's working pretty good. So let me pull a little more if you want. There you go guys, it's working.